Hey YouTube. Alright, so I got a new decal for my back and front windows. It's my YouTube channel. This is K's Garage, the little YouTube symbol. So I'm going to kind of be showing you how it works. What I got is 3M transfer tape. So what you do is you just peel the back off, and then the lettering stays on this front sheet right here, and then you just lay it down, and then you peel it off slowly, so that way you can adjust it still. So I'm gonna go ahead and try with this one. So all you do is just slowly peel it off. As you can see, the back paper comes off, and then so the K's is still on here, but it's sticky right there, and then that's the sheet. So what you're gonna do is I already put it where I want it and know where I want it, so just find your spot. I recommend using a squeegee. It helps smooth it out. Alright, so for this part, you're going to pull slowly. As you can see, actually probably not, but it's coming off on there, so. So yeah, as you can see, it's slowly coming off. And you don't want to go too fast, otherwise you will pull it up. You're going to kind of pull at an angle.
I was going to comment on one of your videos saying to advertise my car.
So yeah, here it goes. It's almost there. I got black background, so that way it'll always be black. I got this done at Signorama in Redding, California. So if you're from Northern California or anywhere in the area, they will make it for you and ship it to you. I'd recommend going to them. As you can see, I actually have a bubble in that S. So we're gonna try and smooth that out. Okay, so you just want to try and smooth out that bubble as slowly as possible. Otherwise you will get a wrinkle, and you definitely don't want that. Alright, so there's the K's. It's very visible. Even though the way the charger's window sits, you can still see it. So I'm going to go ahead and install the rest of it and then show you how it looks afterwards. Okay, so there it is. Turn it back on. Alright, that's the final result. There's no bubbles or anything. So I also got one for the front. I'm not going to do a recording for that one. I think just pretty much, I wasn't really doing a tutorial. I was just showing you guys what it looks like. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll show you the front one after I'm done.
Alright, there's what it looks during the day. Sorry I filmed it last night so late, but I just really wanted to get it done. I really like the way it turned out on the back. The front was a little messed up, but it's not that bad. I mean, you can tell what it says, but I mean, I don't need people to see me driving down the road with it. It's more for like when I'm parked and stuff, and then you can see what it is. My only issue was this right here, but yeah, it still turned out pretty good, so I'm happy with it. So yeah, catch you guys later.